Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to create an issue in JIRA. JIRA is a software tool that helps teams manage their projects and tasks. Let's say you're planning a vacation and you need to keep track of all the tasks related to it. You can use JIRA to create an issue for each task. To create an issue, click on the Create button on the top menu. This is the Create Issue screen. You can enter all the details of your task, such as a summary, description, and due date. For example, if your task is to book a hotel, you can enter Book a Hotel as a summary, add a description with the hotel name and dates of stay, and set the due date as the day of your trip. Once you've filled in all the details, click on the Create button to submit the issue. And that's it. You've created your first issue in JIRA. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and follow our channel at Tech with Just